Welcome back to Believe in Yourself. I'm so grateful you are here today. If you have ever felt guilt around wanting more money or shame for desiring luxury, success, and financial freedom, today's prayer is your safe space to heal. We carried silent stories like, I don't deserve wealth, I should settle with just enough. Good people don't focus on money, but the truth is, you were born worthy. You're already enough. You're already loved. You are allowed to receive more. So, today we'll repeat the sacred Hawaiian mantra 108 times to help clear unconscious guilt, shame, fear, and self sabotage around money and abundance. Let the words wash through you. No need to force anything, just breathe, soften, and receive. Let's begin. Take a deep breath. Feel your heart open. Place one hand on your heart and one on your belly and gently say with me, I'm sorry for rejecting my worth. Please forgive me for feeling unworthy of money. Thank you for loving me even when I didn't. I love you, my inner child who felt undeserving. I am sorry for believing wealth is not for me. Please forgive me for all the times I settled. Thank you for every lesson hidden in lack. I love you and I welcome prosperity. I am sorry for pushing myself with limitation. Please forgive me for inherited guilt around money. Thank you for helping me see clarity now. I love you even in my broken moments. I'm sorry for all the money I pushed away. Please forgive me for fearing success. Thank you for second chances. I love you, my dreams and my desires. I am sorry for not trusting I am safe to receive. Please forgive me for self sabotage. Thank you for the healing now flowing. I love you, my abundance. I am sorry for feeling shame when I earned. Please forgive me for dimming my light. Thank you for my gifts. I love you and I choose expansion. I'm sorry for shrinking my dreams. Please forgive me for playing small. Thank you for courage. I love you, my powerful spirit. I am sorry for disconnecting from my truth. Please forgive me for forgetting I am divine. Thank you for reminding me now. I love you, my sacred path. I am sorry for linking money to pain. Please forgive me for the fears I inherited. Thank you for the generational healing. I love you, my future generations. I am sorry for seeing wealth as wrong. Please forgive me for hiding in guilt. Thank you for this release. I love you in abundance and joy. I am sorry for treating money as the enemy. Please forgive me for making myself small. Thank you for reminding me of my power. I love you, my soul's radiance. I am sorry for refusing help. Please forgive me for needing to prove I can struggle. Thank you for grace. I love you in my receiving. I am sorry for clinging to fear. Please forgive me for doubting my ability to earn. Thank you for this opportunity to grow. I love you as I rise. I am sorry for overworking without joy. Please forgive me for resenting money. Thank you for a new story. I love you, my ease and flow. I am sorry for tying my value to productivity. Please forgive me for disconnecting from joy. Thank you for rest and replenishment. I love you, my balanced wealth. I am sorry for comparing my journey. Please forgive me for the envy I felt. Thank you for clarity. I love you in my own timeline. I'm sorry for the inner critique's voice. Please forgive me for listening to fear. Thank you for inner peace. I love you and I choose truth. I'm sorry for surpassing my needs. Please forgive me for calling them selfish. Thank you for reminding me I matter. I love you in self worth and sovereignty. I'm sorry for fearing my own power. Please forgive me for the stories that kept me stuck. Thank you for this new path. I love you and I am walking in purpose. I'm sorry for thinking I must struggle first. Please forgive me for the beliefs that I have to unlove. Thank you for the love that is unconditional. I love you, my whole self. I'm sorry for hiding my light. Please forgive me for avoiding visibility. Thank you for new opportunities. I love you and I allow myself to shine. I'm sorry for the pain I carried silently. Please forgive me for not giving myself grace. Thank you for softening my heart. I love you in every version of me. I'm sorry for fearing abundance. Please forgive me for the mistrust I had. Thank you for new beginnings. I love you in overflow. I'm sorry for living in lack mindset. Please forgive me for resisting change. Thank you for transformation. I love you as I welcome miracles. I'm sorry for silencing my desires. Please forgive me for shaming my needs. Thank you for helping me remember who I am. I love you and I say yes to receiving. I'm sorry for the beliefs that held me hostage. Please forgive me for waiting for permission. Thank you for the power in my hands now. I love you deeply, fully, unconditionally. I'm sorry I forgot I was divine. Please forgive me for the stories I told myself. Thank you for guiding me home. I love you and I receive all the abundance that is mine. Take a breath, place your hand back on your heart, feel your worth. Money doesn't define you, but it can reflect how much love, trust, and belief you are willing to hold. Let it in. Let joy in. Let grace in. Let abundance flood your life. If this touched your heart today, please share it with someone who may be holding on to guilt or shame around money. You are not alone this journey. We heal together here on Believe in Yourself. Come back to this prayer anytime you need to remember your worth. You are loved, you are enough, and you are ready to receive. And I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for being here.